Good morning, Stearns County. My name is Jake Cleys, and I'm a conservation planner with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District. It is July 22nd, Saturday, and I'm here with your conservation report. The Conservation Reserve Program is a program that takes land out of production for a set amount of time. A common time frame is 10 years, and landowners receive an annual payment for their conservation effort. For mid-contract management of these conservation lands, there's mowing or burning. To schedule an appointment to sign your contract, please call the FSA office at 320-251-7800 extension 2 and ask for Therese. We have a new funding opportunity available to landowners in Stearns County through the Soil Health Grant. There's an application period that begins August 1st and closes September 15th. This is a cost share purchase program to retrofit soil health equipment and also purchase new equipment up to 50% cost share. This is open to individual producers, producer groups, and local government units who are eligible to apply. The equipment purchases must advance soil health in Minnesota. This is a competitive grant with applications requiring cost of equipment, explanation of how the equipment will be used to advance soil health on your farm, the number of acres the equipment will be used on, and other applicable information. For any questions, contact Jessica Jurczyk with MDA at 651-802-3059, or you can email her at jessicajurczyk@state.mn.us. The SWCD has some exciting events coming up. First off is the Rosholt Field Day. On August 17th from 9 to 1 at the Rosholt Research Farm in Westport, Stearns SWCD and our partner Pope SWCD, along with the Minnesota Department of Ag, will be hosting a free field day. We'll be discussing topics such as Kernza perennial grain, nitrogen fertilizer applications, cover crop and living mulches, and irrigation water management practices. Pre-registration is required for lunch, and you can do that by either going online and using the Eventbrite link on our website or by calling the Pope SWCD at 320-634-5327. And did I mention that was free? Join us Sunday, August 20th for a free family canoe trip down the Sauk River. The trip will start at 9:30 a.m. and we will break for lunch around noon, where families can listen to and participate in some activities. These activities include exploration of water insects, a water table demonstration, and ice cream making. Canoes, shuttles, and lunch are provided free of charge. Please RSVP by August 16th to ensure lunch and a canoe. You can call the Stearns SWCD office at 320-251-7800 extension 3 to RSVP. There's an open house for the North Fork Crow River One Watershed One Plan on August 3rd from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Litchfield Eagles Club. The North Fork Crow River One Watershed One Plan Committee will be showcasing conservation work in the watershed. Come out and see what work is being done to protect the watershed. The Stearns SWCD will be hosting a cover crop field day Thursday, August 24th from 8 to 3 p.m. This is a free event. Again, I say it's a free event. We ask that you RSVP by August 16th to ensure a lunch. Don't miss out on this opportunity to hear from our farmer panel about how they successfully integrated cover crops into their operations, as well as our other partners about different ways to do conservation. Look for our flyers throughout the county to learn more. In closing, I want to thank you all very much for listening today. I hope you all have a bright and sunshiny Saturday. This has been Jake Cleys with the Stearns SWCD with your conservation report. Thank you.